Holding a vision is not about wishing or hoping. It is about learning how to mentally live inside a future that is not yet fully formed without creating anxiety, pressure, or doubt. Most people struggle with vision not because they lack imagination, but because they approach vision with tension. They visualize for a moment, then immediately check reality, worry about timing, or question whether it's working. That emotional interference weakens the process. This lesson teaches you how to create a vision that feels real, stable, and calm, and how to revisit it throughout the day without emotional strain. A vision works best when it is clear, detailed, and emotionally steady. Vague goals create weak signals. Clear images create direction. When you create a vision, you are not standing outside of it looking in. You are placing yourself inside the experience. If your vision includes financial freedom, don't just picture a number in a bank account. Picture how your life looks because of it. See yourself waking up without pressure. Notice where you are living. Feel how your body feels moving through the day without urgency. If your vision includes a dream car, don't imagine the car parked somewhere. See yourself sitting in the driver's seat. Feel the steering wheel in your hands. Hear the sound of the engine. Notice how it feels to drive it. Use your senses, sight, sound, touch, emotion. The more real it feels, the clearer the signal becomes. Vision is not something you do once. It is something you return to gently throughout the day. You don't need long visualization sessions. A few seconds here and there is enough when done consistently. While walking, pause for a moment and step into the vision. While waiting, revisit it briefly. While resting, feel gratitude for what is forming. These short moments accumulate. Over time, the vision becomes familiar. When a vision feels familiar, anxiety decreases. The mind stops questioning whether it's possible and starts accepting it as normal. This is the point where vision becomes powerful. Gratitude strengthens this process. You are not pretending the vision is already complete. You are grateful that it is forming. Gratitude and anticipation keeps you emotionally aligned without forcing belief. You don't need to convince yourself. You simply allow yourself to expect good things calmly. Anxiety usually appears when the body feels unsafe holding something new. If anxiety arises, you don't abandon the vision. You soften your body and return to calm. Vision works when it is held with certainty, not urgency. You are not chasing outcomes. You are becoming familiar with a future that is assembling itself through aligned action and time. When vision is clear and calm, action becomes obvious. You move naturally toward what matches the image you hold. This is how vision guides behavior without pressure. This lesson is about making your vision so real and emotionally steady that it no longer triggers doubt. When that happens, creation becomes cooperative instead of stressful.